Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 31st of January around 10:20 p.m. And here we go, guys, with another video about an instrument that we're going to be presenting in the Charts of the Day. Charts of the Day is a session that we do every day, in Elliott Wave Forecast, in which we pick an instrument among the 78 instruments that we cover, and we present it in all the time frames to our followers to see, right? So you can visit the site every single day. Scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see right here Charts of the Day, and then you click on it, you see the 1 hour charts, especially with the follow-up video. Very helpful for followers that want to understand how it works, right? All right, so today's instrument is gonna be Tesla. Tesla has been in the news lately because of tremendous decline and now starting to react. I want you guys to understand first that the market moves in what we call the cycles degree, and consequently Tesla within the grand super cycle. In other words, the whole history of the symbol, Tesla ended 5 weeks from the lows. Eventually, after 5 weeks, the instrument is going to decline and is going to do a 3 weeks pullback. This is the weekly charts of Tesla within the grand super cycle. It did technically right there a 5 weeks advance. Right there, it did a 5 weeks advance. Right there, that it ended at this peak on November 2021. From there, it ended its wave 1. The market now it did a 3 weeks pullback in a way of an ABC. What is an ABC? It's a 535, as it is reflected here in the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 backs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's exactly what Tesla did. And Tesla reached our entry area at 107.52. It retested 1, it makes new lows, and then it has reacted. So there is a tremendous chance that 5 followed by 3 in the Elliott Wave theory. That's the key, and the market now is going to start buying Tesla and trade higher into levels around 600, 700 in the next few years ahead. So the 4 hour charts, which is the advance from the reaction, it looks impulsive, and it seems like that we are in the presence of the wave 3 extension. A wave 3 extension in Elliott Wave looks like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then there is the separation of the wave 3 of 3 and a series of 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5 higher. So if Tesla seems like it's doing that, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, then you have the powerful wave 3, and Tesla should extend higher and end the cycle from January the 6th. Sometimes within the next few weeks, Tesla should pull back and then continue higher due to the nature of the imports from the lows. Now the 1 hour of Tesla, it looks like this: 1, 2, 1, 2. Like I said, the triple net, the extension of wave 3. It reacted lower after 3 weeks. It reached another short-term blue box area right here, and now it should start trading higher in a wave 5, and it gets choppy now onto it finish the 4 hour cycle. As you guys can see, it's been reacting. It reacted on the weekly time frame here to our blue box high frequency trading area, and it reacted here also after another ABC lower. So expectation is a little more extension higher, right? And then a 3 weeks pullback. That's Tesla for today. You guys can see how we apply the Elliott Wave theory in the old way, and we add the new tools like the blue boxes, so our members understand where to enter and buy the market. If you like the video, I invite you guys all to take our 14-day trial, or click here a 14-day trial, which is only for $9.99. Also, we have running a code right now, a promotion in which we offer like a 15% discount in all the plans of Elliott Wave Forecast. So I hope you guys the video. I hope to see you around the Elliott Wave Forecast, and let's see how Tesla perform in the next few sessions. Have a good night, everyone.